Hi, it's Miss Rochelle. We're going to see if there's any potatoes in one of these pots. This is my dad, Dave.
Hi.
And there's my mom. Okay, are you ready? You think there's going to be any potatoes in here?
Uh-oh. I don't think so.
Huh?
Okay, let's dig
I
in.
don't know. I think there's going to be a bunch in there.
Oh, look. Ooh, these are purple. Look at that.
Purple colored.
Purple potatoes.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Ready.
It's magic.
Yeah, some of these are actually
Wow.
not bad.
Okay. Look at how many. Hey, what's this red one doing in here?
Well, look at that one. That's not even a round one. It looks like a rock. Look at that. Isn't that something?
Okay. Oh, look, here's some.
Oh, hey, wait a minute. That's the wrong color. What happened?
Did you put in two different kinds?
Yeah, I may have. I don't know.
Okay. We got a lot of potatoes in this bin, and look, we have three more left.
Two more.